Logging an invoice in. I want to put an invoice that I've just received into the system. So I've come here to the main menu in the books and I'm going to click Invoices In to jump through to the Invoices In area. Now just notice when I arrive here, I'm seeing the last invoice that was added to the system. First thing I'm going to do is click the plus button to create a new invoice. Then I'm going to add in here the name of the supplier, and I'm going to pick up the matching name from the list that appears below. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add into the invoice number field the number on the invoice that I've received. Okay, and I'm also going to put in the date, which was raised on the 8th of January. Okay, now finally I'm going to add in the detail of the invoice I've received by filling in the lines down here in this portal in the lower half. So I've received one item here for £100. Now I can, if I want to, just type every line of the invoice in to a single line with a consolidated net total in the net field here. But I want to break this out, so I'm going to put in a second line for £200 so that I can give that a different nominal code and direct it to a different part of my system for the balance sheet. So I'm going to say that second line was advertising and that first line was marketing. Okay, having completed all that, all I need to do is post the invoice and it will put that into the purchase ledger, close and lock that invoice. If I want to reopen it to edit it, I'm going to have to click the reopen button to reopen it again. And that's it.